Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add the custom fonts in the Elementor. Elementor allows you to upload custom fonts to your website. To do so, hover onto Elementor and click on the custom fonts. Now here click on add new. Now add any font by adding the font name. After that click on add new variation. You need to upload its WOFF, WOFF2, TTF, SVG or EOT files. It is recommended that you upload as many font files as possible in order to provide support for the maximum number of browsers. I will upload .ttf file of this font. Once completed, now I will click on the publish button. The fonts have now been added, and we can find the same in the typography controls of every widget that contains the text. Let me show you by clicking on the Edit with Elementor link. Click on the Edit button here. Select the Style tab and under Typography Controls, you can simply search for your font here. So when selected, you can see the font in action here. So this was all about how to add custom fonts in Elementor. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.